Okay, guys, we've survived our first week at home, and I wanted to give you guys an update for next week. So, the first thing that you need to know is that for Chieftain Academy students, for any of you that are with me, are assigned to me, that get to come see me each week, I do have my windows open because the sun's actually shining today, so forgive the wind, guys. But attendance returns to normal next week. Attendance, you need to be doing your assignments. And I'm going to talk about what attendance is going to look like and how we're going to track this. But starting Monday, bright and early, March 23rd, attendance returns to normal. So, what does this mean? I am going to be recording your daily, weekly attendance. I do not want this to be a stressful time for everybody because it's stressful. We're all like at home and I've got second grade work from my second grader and my high schoolers drawing pictures of kidneys, and I've got all of you guys to worry about, and I want you guys to know that you're all important to me, but it's stressful. Yeah, I was joking during our live session this morning that I don't know how I did this for 7 years because I taught from home for 7 years.
Do I have to do a trust fall?
So, no, you don't have to do a trust fall.
I trust that here.
Michael's here with me. Michael, can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
So if you have to miss a day, I understand. Let's look at the goal for the week as like a big picture thing. You should be doing no less than 5 assignments per week. If you're behind, and there's some of you that are seniors then you need to be doing more. If you had paperwork to turn into me, take your cell phone, your tablet. Even if we have to meet in a live session, you can hold up your papers to show me that they're done. I can make note and I can get those grades in for you. That's the best solution I have for that right now. So, you do need to be doing your weekly work. It can look a little bit different than an assignment per day, but on the end of the week, it needs to total up. The one thing that the governor has asked all of us to do in education is to make sure that you are still getting an education. So I need to see you working, okay? Most important thing. If you're not working, you can expect a phone call home from me, probably from my personal phone, from my dining room table, which is my makeshift office. So please work so I don't have to call your parents. How can you check in? I want one weekly check-in from each of you. I want to know that you guys are okay. Here's how you guys can check in with me. And it only has to happen once. If you want to check in with me every day, I will be happy to see your smiling face every day. Every morning at 10 a.m., I'm going to be hosting a live question and answer session. Okay? It's going to be on my Zoom link. I will put that in the email so you have it. You can use your Chromebook, your phone, your tablet. That's one way to check in with me. The other way, if you're not comfortable using Zoom, please email me and let me know that you're okay and like what you've got going on for the week. Okay? That's all I'm asking. So you can check in 2 different ways, just one time per week, one time only. Either by attending a live session, just kind of like you would come in and work with me live one-on-one, or by email. So if you need academic help, I will also offer... Why are you laughing at me? Because I'm talking with my hands.
Yeah, and you're like, it's not even a video.
Yeah, it's a video.
Wait,
it's recording it. It's recording my screen.
But it can't see you.
Well, I don't want them to see me because I have messy hair right now. See, this is the joy of when you have your 8-year-old home with you.
Yeah,
he's making fun of me because I'm talking with my hands because I do that a lot. If you need schoolwork help, we will set up 1-to-1 sessions by appointment. I can be pretty flexible with those. I just ask that you guys give me a little grace because everybody at my house is home right now. So, like, my 8-year-old may join us. Like, I don't know. So just give me some grace. I'll give you some grace, but we're going to get through this together. So, how else can I support you guys? You guys give me ideas. I have a favor to ask of you. I've started an Instagram. I'm emailing you. I draw the line at Snapchatting you, okay? I'm just not going to do it. But I'm going to ask you to Snapchat, text, whatever, however you want to communicate, your fellow Chieftain Academy classmates that you're friends with and remind them that they need to be doing their schoolwork and checking their email. I want all of us as high schoolers to finish out the school year with all of our credits, and we can all support each other with that. But I do ask for your little bit of help, and I'm not going to Snapchat you. I'm just not going to do it. I'm not going to be a Snapchatter with my students. I draw the line there, buddy. So, but they can Snapchat each other if they have Snapchat. I'm fine with that. As long as their parents are fine with it, I'm fine with it. You, however, are 8 and you don't have Snapchat. So, guys, remember that the school district is providing meals. Mr. Ramage has been doing a phenomenal job sending out information about when you can get meals, where they can be collected from. This is for anybody under the age of 18. I know Mondays are Logan High School days, but if that's not the closest building to you, you can make arrangements to pick yours up at another building within the school district, and there are 5 breakfasts and 5 lunches in there. Even if you have a 2-year-old at your house, make sure that you are taking advantage of that. Guys, listen, even my own husband had got a call yesterday that he's getting a pay cut. People are losing their jobs. You know, our favorite restaurants are closing. It's weird and strange times, so let me know how I can support you. And if there's anything you need, all you have to do is reach out to me by email. So I will be seeing you next week in live session or by email. Things return to normal next week. We just won't be seeing each other in person. So I hope that you guys have an enjoyable weekend and get some sunshine. And I will talk with you next week.